it's cattle, goats, sheep, pigs, you name it, all they drink and need to survive is water. In our case, humans, what do we drink? Coffee, water, tea, soda, you name it. And so the effects are seen much more quickly in cattle than they are in humans. In the aquaculture, it stabilizes the alkalinity of the water. It removes heavy metals from the water, anywhere from 60 to 90%. It increases production and decreases mortality in hatcheries and the pre-growth stages. It increases the hatching and spawn, reduces the turnover in the larvae, reduces waste products in the water, which helps maintain water clarity. It reduces the overall need for chemicals. It can reduce the red tide effect by 85%. Imagine the red tide effect in Florida, how that affects residents and tourism and the entire industry along that coast. And so using these pipes throughout the coast will reduce red tide effect completely. It improves the water quality and the significant proliferation of microalgae. In general industry, it helps break down salt structures, converting them into simpler compounds. It removes scale deposits in boilers, pipes, and cooling towers. It does the same exact thing in our homes. So if we have hard water, well, normally people will purchase a soft water conditioner to try to remove the scale and control that. Well, you put the water through this magnetic pipe and it removes those scales. So all of a sudden you no longer see stains in your clothes or in your shower, in the kitchen, etc. It decreases water use in landscaping by 30 to 50%. It destroys 70 to 100% of coliform bacteria, including E. coli, salmonella, and others, and destroys other pathogens that are in the feces that's present in water. It will reduce the need for chemicals and water softeners, and it will increase the settling of impurities and decrease the formation of mold. No electricity is needed, and it's ecological, it's friendly, it benefits in all of these ways. The livestock, the aquaculture industry, normal industry, and agricultural industry, it can increase your harvest by up to, or at least 30%. You get better seed germination. It increases the average harvest. It will improve transplant success. It dissolves salt buildup in the soil. It reactivates inert soil nutrients so that the plants can uptake them easier. It will reduce the need for fertilizers. It removes scale buildup in the pipes and the dripper systems. And once again, destroys 70 to 100% of E. coli and other bacteria in the water. So imagine all of the bacterial
wastewater spills,
contamination in wastewater, as well as just in the agricultural industry. How many callbacks are there, or recalls are there in cabbage and the leafy green industry, that all of a sudden, you know, if you've purchased broccoli or lettuce or, you know, spinach from this particular chain of stores, well, it's been recalled because of an E. coli outbreak, because of salmonella outbreak, etc. So you could put an end to all of those outbreaks by using these pipes and these systems on your farms. The water ionizer, magnetizer can be used in poultry farming as well, where it's going to provide animal detoxification. Once again, it will eliminate the bacteria and neutralize the feces in the water. It will enhance their animal coloring, helps increase and maintain the poultry weight, maintains better egg pigmentation, reduces animal mortality that can be as high as 20% monthly. It will clear the water. It increases the absorption of nutrients in the water, and also increases egg production. Here it's used in the shrimp industry. Here it's used in the leafy greens industry, watermelons. Here in cabbage or lettuce. These are actual pictures from all of the farms that these pipes are being used in throughout South, Central, and North America. Here's the root system without the magnetized pipe, and here's the root system with magnetized pipe. You increase and stimulate a greater root system, it's going to absorb more nutrients and going to better absorb the water. Hence, you do not have to water it as often. If you overwater it, well, that's also bad. On average, you decrease water use by at least 30%. Clear difference. Here we can see the use in raspberry. These are raspberries, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And so you're going to increase your production, the health of the fruit, the vegetables, everything is going to be healthier, more nutrient rich, less watering necessary. You're saving on water bills, you're saving on fertilization costs, you're saving on pesticides, herbicides. It all becomes cheaper, cleaner, easier, healthier. No drawbacks.